All clinicians on some level treat pain. Whether you're an anesthesiologist, emergency medicine physician, or interventional pain specialist, there's something for everyone to learn at one of our ultrasound courses. Our curriculum covers basic techniques for the beginner and more advanced techniques for the experienced sonographer. We ensure that those who treat pain have the tools required to take care of the most basic problems as well as perform the more advanced procedures, such as peripheral neuromodulation and the injection of biologic agents such as PRP or bone marrow aspirate into the targeted tissues. Our courses are open to all clinicians. We offer CME credit. We plan to do courses abroad as well as in the United States in the coming year, and we hope to see you there. For more information, go to PainExam.com/events or internationalpainacademy.org.